Welcome! In front of me I have Oppo Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of calories burned on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And some of the watch faces display the calories, for example this one does, but if yours isn't, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, scroll through it and look for the watch face that displays that info, for example this one. You can also edit the watch faces, some of them. So let's say this one, maybe this one. Tap on the edit button under it. And some of the watch faces allow you to change the complications, the widgets, and you can tap on one, look for the calories, and then you can press the crown button and it will display the calories burned right here. Another way to check it is to open the activity widget. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe left on the screen, it will open the widget, and here we have some graphs, and here we have a calorie graph, and you can tap on it too to open the activity app, and here you can check the graph in more detail. And last way to check it is to open the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna grab my phone that is paired with my watch, bring it back, or bring it on, and zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the OHealth application. Where is it? Here. So we can open the app. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the home page like this. And you should see the daily activity. Here we have calories. You can tap on it and you can see more details right here. If you tap on active calories, it should open even more detail, like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and goal completions and stuff like that. So you can check it in more detail in the app. And once you're done, you can close the app, of course, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.